If it is to be, it is up to me. Success does not come to you. It comes from you. If you want to be successful in life, in practice, in relationships, it comes from you. You can't wait for it to come from out there. You can't think that when something happens, then something else will happen, because when I, then I never happens. If you want things to change in your life, you are the change. If you want to have an impact in your community or in the world, you don't need an invitation. You can get started right now.
Truth crushed to earth will rise again. Your community needs to know the truth, and we have the responsibility and the right to teach it. In the immortal words of Bob Marley, get up stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. Standing up for your rights begins with knowing that you have rights. Equality, freedom of religion, the right to keep and bear arms. You have the right to remain silent, and you have the freedom to express yourself.
We've all struggled, we've all stumbled, we've all failed. But you know what the difference is? We've gotten up. And when you get up, when you get back up, when you make the decision to make the next day be the best day and make the next day be the best day and keep making that decision every day, you create habits for yourself. You change your thoughts, you change your words, you change your actions, you change your mindset. You become such a more powerful, dynamic, loving being. The world will be attracted to you. Be so good that they can't not stare. Be so good that they can't ignore you. Be so good that they have to pay attention. It starts with you. I'm going to break this down for you because some of you may have never realized this. You are the solution. You are the key. Your community is locked in jail. If any of you have ever been to a high crime area, you will understand that people put bars on their windows to keep the bad guy out, but the reality is they're locking themselves in. It's fear. Your community, the world, lives in a jail cell that is full of fear. The bars created by the lies they've been told, lie after lie after lie. They're existing in this jail cell in fear. And until they learn to let go of the bars of the fear that has been locking them in, when they can't take it another day, when they are sick and tired of being sick and tired, when they are so miserable in their existence that the rage ignites inside of them to the point where they are screaming, crying, gripping the bars with white knuckles, blood, sweat, tears, that they can't take this anymore, then and only then will they realize that fear is a lie. And the key is truth. You have the truth. Repeat after me. As long as I have these two hands.